Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started here. Well, hey everyone, this is Hooligan from Tustin, Irvine, and Santa Ana, California, and today I'm actually riding in the slums of Santa Ana. And I wanted to go ahead and do a little product review. Go in this lane. About the Sena GoPro Audio Pack. I'm not gonna go into full detail and do this whole Go ahead and take it easy there, cunt. Alright, like I was saying, I didn't want to talk back there. I'm gonna go ahead and do a review of the Sena GoPro Audio Pack. And I'm not really gonna do a whole unboxing kind of bullshit. I will mention what I received in the package when I went ahead and purchased the whole thing. And I'll go ahead and start by saying, well, there's two boxes you can purchase. One comes with the waterproof housing, and the other one does not. The other one is the one I received, the one without the waterproof housing, which was not the smartest plan, because it leaves the GoPro lens all exposed, and it's only really a frame housing, so it just goes around the GoPro, and then it uses the pressure from the screw to really compress it. It came with the audio pack and this little adapter that actually adapts to the GoPro and the audio pack, so the two are connected. And also with my setup, and I have a GoPro Hero 3, I have the Sena 10, I think, or whatever. It's this big bulky one, I don't know if you can see it, that one. And then I have obviously the Sena Audio Pack. And keep in mind that my GoPro is up to date with everything. So, I'm sorry, not my GoPro. My Sena, it's up to date. It's at the 5 point something software thing update, and I even also updated the GoPro Audio Pack software too, because you can update that. I'm not sure if it's called software. I don't know. I'm just gonna call it software, whatever. With that, I went ahead and used it, and it wasn't all that exciting. It wasn't great. The quality was. I'll even put a clip so you guys can get an example of what it sounds like. So, notice how I'm standing over here. Right now it's in the audio control mode, so with that it sounds a little awkward, a little weird. It doesn't sound that great, but right now, switch that up into the HD mode. There's a little button in the back that says pairing. Click it once and it should it changes to HD mode, which should sound better. So it does sound a lot better. It's nicer. I can't do that. But to be honest, I feel like it still has a bit of a fuzz going. So I don't know. What do you guys think compared to the 8mm USB adapter? What do you guys think? This is actually a great product. That being that you honestly, you don't have this whole wire thing coming in and out of your helmet. And if you're a first time vlogger, this is a great thing. All you need is your Sena and this thing, and it's wireless, no wires. And absolutely you can become very creative with this, place a camera somewhere, do flybys, and vlog all at the same time. And that is very good. It allows for endless creativity. So to me, I'm still kind of, working on this thing, and I like it. The setup is fairly quick. It's not too bad. I like it, but it's not what I fully expected it to be, because I got way better quality with the 8mm USB. But with the 8mm USB, you run into a bit of trouble with that, because the adapter, that adapter can actually be broken pretty easily, or it can damage your GoPro, which happened to me once, so I had to get my GoPro replaced because of the 8mm adapter. I learned my lesson. I had to switch up everything from how I had my GoPro mounted to eliminate as much as potential damage to my GoPro and the 8mm adapter. So, you know, this is absolutely a great way to really eliminate that and any potential damage. And I would highly recommend getting the waterproof case, because to me it's more of a real protective seal rather than the whole fucking casing there. So, you know,
overall it's a good product. I like it. So enough about that. Moving on to the next thing. I've actually just recently had my stickers made, a logo or decals made from my logo, and I want to do like a meetup, like a meet and greet, I guess you could say, like a motovlogger meet and greet. You know, all these motovloggers come together, you know, pass out their stickers and all this good stuff. And I want to have food. Like, I don't want you guys to go ahead and meet up and then we go buy food. I want food to be there. But honestly, I'm a college student. I'm fucking poor. I can't do it. But yeah, no, I'm really poor. I'm living on Maruchan, fucking soup and shit. So, you know, but I want to get tamales or tamales, and so everyone can fucking eat that shit over there. I don't know if you guys you like those. I'm gonna try to have like the spicy kind, the one with carne, just stick it with anything, and then have the candy kind too, like the pineapple strawberry ones. Oh, those are good. I've always loved them since I was a kid, but my mom and dad don't let me eat those because I need to be a fucking adult. I'm like, you know what, fuck your adult. Fuck the stigma, fuck society. I want fucking candy ones. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and close today's vlog. I have no fucking idea where I'm at, but that's okay, because this is what it usually happens. I get lost and I get nervous and whatever, but whatever. If you have any comments or any questions about the Sena Audio Pack and the setup and all that stuff, or anything else, just let me know. Put it in the comments or send me a private message. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, alright, we'll have a good one and take care. See you all next time. Ciao. Bye. Yeah.